Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, this is one of the 4 famous people who is pipe smoker. This is one of them. 4 people. This is this time Hemingway. Well, I'm gonna make something, just want to make something different image from this, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, I'm gonna make this kind of, I don't know, interesting illustration type. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna tone this one down, change the blend mode so we can see through the base image also. Now then I'm gonna move this empty layer in between these two. Now I'm gonna put on this some color on this layer. Okay, now pipe is the main subject, so I go for draw this one first. Now use white watercolor, brown detail first, and pick the color about, well, brownish. Okay, go from brown, then let's draw the shape. Or I'm going to tone down this base image. I'm going to add another layer, then I want to put some light color. Okay, I'm gonna merge down. Then I'm gonna add the water to blend these colors. This is interesting. Interesting way to paint. Well, I'm gonna add another layer, then I'm gonna add some black and dark image. Okay, merge down. I'm gonna add layer and okay, I want to add some base shadow, so I'm going to add another layer here. Now I'm going to add layer and add shadows. Okay, I'm gonna add, well, I'm gonna march down. Okay, that's all about it for watercolors. But I wanna see this base image, and let's see. Create empty mask, then invert mask. Okay, review with wet brush 1. Now let's just check on this pencil drawing type image. Yeah, I kind of like linear burn and overlay, this kind of color. I like that. I want to add overlay or linear burn. Well, just leave it here now. Illustration image, that's what I like. And also I'm going to change this watercolor image. This is color burn. Yeah, color burns kind of interesting. How about this picture frame? Kind of interesting. Linear light shows more colors. Okay, just leave it this way. Then how about this tabletop desk? Overlay goes darker. Yeah, I think darker is better. Pipe 50%, color burn, and then frame, linear light to get some texture. Okay, linear burn shows books shape and stuff. So leave this one linear burn. Yeah. Okay, that's about it. Then this is mask for base image. Well, I'm gonna touch up this just a touch more to clean up some shape and stuff. Okay. Nice color. I like this. About a little bit more yellowish. Okay. Now I just want to add some greener background color. This one is overlay. How is it effect? Let's see. I like this. Yeah, I like this overlay. Emphasize some shadow colors. I want this pipe to be more pop-up, so I'm gonna duplicate this layer base image, then create empty mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna open it up with just basic to software opacity. Now only for this pipe. Well, brightness contrast. Well, bring this one up. Let's see, turn this one on. This. Maybe that's too much. No, oh man, it's not too. Okay, select this one. Only for this pipe. Okay, now I'm gonna touch up this mask. Yeah, well, I guess that's it for today, and just lighten up, bring up some contrast on this main subject of the pipe. And then I add another watercolor, add this watercolor image, add some colors, clear watercolor type image, so colorize some, so we see a little bit colorful, yellow, blue, magenta and stuff. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and well, I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And you guys have a nice day. And I really appreciate for you guys' support. And see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.